viewers of the YouTuber Center channel. Today we're diving back into the exciting world of online income. In our previous videos, we've explored a whopping 30 unique ways to make money online, and trust me, we're just getting started. In this third installment of our series, we're unveiling another 15 ingenious ideas to expand your online earning potential. Whether you're seeking a side hustle or dreaming of a full-time online career, there's something here for everyone. But before we jump in, if you're as pumped as I am to discover these fresh opportunities, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss a single idea in this series. Alright, without further ado, let's fire up your imagination with these next 15 amazing ideas to earn money online. Absolutely. Let's delve into the details of each of these online earning methods. App development and programming. App development and programming involve creating software applications for various platforms. This can range from mobile apps to desktop software. You can earn by developing custom apps for clients, creating your own apps, or working for a tech company. Software development and coding. Similar to app development, software development encompasses a broader spectrum of programs and applications. This could involve creating business software, games, utilities, and much more. Freelancing, working for a company, or developing and selling your own software are potential avenues for income. Game development and selling in-game items. Game development involves designing, coding, and creating video games. You can earn through game sales, in-app purchases, and by selling in-game items or virtual currency. The gaming industry is a lucrative market for skilled developers and designers. Bug testing and quality assurance. Quality assurance, QA, testers play a crucial role in software development. They identify and report bugs, ensuring that the final product is reliable and user-friendly. Freelancing as a QA tester or working for a tech company are common paths in this field. User interface, UI, and user experience, UX, design. UI, UX designers focus on creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces for websites and applications. Their work involves wireframing, prototyping, and ensuring an intuitive user experience. You can offer your services on freelance platforms or work for design agencies. Domain flipping and selling. Domain flipping involves buying and selling domain names. This can be a lucrative venture if you have an eye for valuable domain names that businesses or individuals might be interested in purchasing. Platforms like GoDaddy and Sedo facilitate domain auctions and sales. Website and app design services. Designing websites and applications is a high-demand skill. You can offer your services to clients looking for a professional online presence. This could range from small business websites to complex e-commerce platforms. SEO consulting and optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO experts help businesses improve their online visibility in search engine results. You can offer services like keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Many businesses are willing to pay for improved search rankings. Web hosting and server management. Running a web hosting service involves providing server space and services to host websites. This requires technical expertise in server management, security, and performance optimization. You can offer hosting services to clients or start your own hosting company. Cryptocurrency trading and investing. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. It's a speculative market that can be highly profitable, but it's also high risk. You can trade on exchanges or invest for the long term. Becoming a social media influencer. Social media influencers build a dedicated following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. They can earn through sponsored posts, brand collaborations, and affiliate marketing. Building an engaged audience is key to success in this field. Sponsored posts and brand collaborations. Influencers and content creators can partner with brands to promote their products or services through sponsored posts and collaborations. This can be a significant source of income for those with a substantial following. Affiliate marketing through social media. Affiliate marketing on social media involves promoting products or services through affiliate links. When your followers make a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. This can be a lucrative source of income for influencers with engaged audiences. Managing social media accounts for others. Businesses often seek professionals to manage their social media presence. This includes content creation, posting schedules, engagement with followers, and running ad campaigns. Managing multiple accounts can provide a steady income. Live streaming and earning through donations. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube allow content creators to live stream their activities. Viewers can donate money as a form of support or in exchange for special perks. This can be a significant source of income for popular streamers. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities to earn money online. Success in any of these fields requires dedication, continuous learning, and an understanding of the target audience. It's also important to stay adaptable and open to exploring multiple methods to diversify your online income streams. And there you have it, 15 more remarkable ways to unleash your earning potential online. From e-commerce to niche-specific stores, affiliate marketing to antique sales, the digital world is full of opportunities waiting for you. If any of these ideas sparked your curiosity or got your gears turning, don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button and join our growing community by subscribing to the YouTuber Center channel. We're dedicated to guiding you towards success in the online sphere. Thanks for joining me in this video. Remember, each idea is a potential step towards financial freedom. Stay curious, stay motivated, and I'll catch you in our next video. Thanks for watching.